This is my game Stumble, and I made it for the GDevelop Game Jam in 5 days. But it looks like it was made in 30 lines of code. So, like and subscribe, and let's make a bullet hell in 10 lines. On our to-do list, we're going to do all of these things. So let's start with an epic montage of me making little pixel art. So now it was time to make level design. I just pulled out a player sprite and the sprite of our enemy and put them parallelly, not much. And now we had two of our things done, the level design and the making of our assets. So I think we should now head to the movement. So in 3 lines of code, I made a simple movement where you can move by moving your mouse. And that was pretty simple. So I tried to make bullets. Well, it didn't really work for making the bullets for the player, so I think I'd just stick to the enemy bullets. After fixing that, in 4 lines of code, we had the enemy shooting stuff at us, which is kinda nice. So let's make death, because that's our final step. So for that, I started to make a death scene. So when we died, we just go to the start thing and then we can click on start. And with 6 lines of code, we should be able to die, right? Wrong, because I'm dumb and it doesn't work. So we're now at 7 lines of code. And does it work? Does it work? And finally, it worked. And we can click on the start and restart and keep playing. Pretty neat game. So now we're fully done. And here's the game.